This is my 2019 Ram 1500 crew cab four-wheel drive pickup. And today we're going to be installing a tailgate damper kit. I already installed the kit, but I'm going to show you step by step on how I did the install. As you can see, it functions with the damper installed. I'm going to show you how I did that. This is the kit I'm installing. That's the part number right there, Mopar part number. And apparently you can set it up with the key fob to have it automatically open the tailgate. Looks like the first thing I gotta do is remove these panel fasteners. Well, undo the cable support and then remove these two T20 torque screws. Next, I'm going to have to remove the tail light and then install the ram on these two studs here. Pretty simple install. So let's begin. First thing I'm going to do is detach the tailgate support cable. Lift the hood a little, the tailgate a little bit, just so I can get that off. Then I'm going to work these panel fasteners back a bit. Just like that. Get them started. Try to be gentle. There you go. So that's what it looks up close, and kind of spreads it out. Alright, let me get that one off too. Next thing I'm going to do is remove the T20 torque screws. You can see the tail light starting to come off. Next thing you're going to want to do is pull this thing straight back. Careful not to stress that cable. To detach the wiring, you're going to want to pull up on this red tab. There you go, and you're going to push this part in. And then pull straight out. As you can see, I already got it installed. What I'm going to do is undo that. And you want to go up with the tailgate, so you take the pressure off the ram and pull that straight out. So again, I already had this installed, but if you had to do this, you'd want to install that portion first, down in there with the rubber boot part facing down. Go up on the tailgate and put it on that stud. There you go. Functions real nice. And after that, reverse is the same as removal. Installation is reverse of removal, I should say. There you go. Snap that in place. Push this lock down. Align these studs with those little grommets there. Okay. These panel fasteners back in. Push them in. You don't want to align. There you go. Just like that. Use these T20 fasteners. Go back in there. Don't over tighten them. And there you go. Damper kit installed. Reinstall this cable support just like that. Damper kit installed. What I really like about it is that it's hidden and you don't see it. Very nice.